wanted to talk about the Geneva toolbox I installed. Take a look at it. It's solid. It's made to fit right at the rear of the truck bed. The tailgate is locked. I can't get into this box because of the tailgate being closed, and you can't open it until you unlock it. So if we unlock it, that gives us access. We have a little lock here we can open. I'll leave that unlocked. This swings open. The drawers come out easily. It's solid. It's not going anywhere. I didn't drill one hole in the truck. There's basically a hole that's already right here, so I just used some washers and bolted it up to the existing hole. It's a little bracket that goes up, and I drilled a hole into the toolbox and mounted the other end of the bracket to the toolbox. That's what's making it so solid. This is a bed liner by Ford. I used an all-thread rod like this, basically heated it up and bent it. So basically using all thread, I was able to bolt down the bottom plate to the bed liner. And that's how it's mounted. It's got 5 drawers. These are deep. 3 of them are deep. And 2 smaller drawers up here on top. So I can shut this. Don't need to lock it. Shut the tailgate. Lock the tailgate. Nobody's getting into that box.